In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync records in Airtable bases using sync table views. If you've been searching for a way to streamline and synchronize your data across different Airtable bases, then this guide is perfect for you. Let's dive right in. Start by opening up your web browser and typing in the URL for Airtable. This will take you directly to Airtable's homepage, where you'll see options to access your bases. Once there, look for the Sign In button. This button is your gateway to your Airtable account, where all your valuable data and projects are securely stored. Go ahead and input your credentials to sign into your account. Just a quick note: if you're using a shared computer, always remember to keep these details private to ensure the security of your information. Once you're successfully logged in, click Continue. You'll now be redirected to the main Airtable interface. Here, you should see a list or tiles of your bases displayed on the screen. Find the base table you wish to work with and click on it. By doing so, you'll open up the specific base where you want to initiate syncing. At the top bar of your base view, keep an eye out for an option labeled Share and Sync. Give it a tap. This will open a series of options to manage how your data is shared and synced. One of the key features you'll see here is Sync Data to another base. Click on this option to proceed. This step is crucial for preparing your data for synchronization across bases, helping ensure that your tables are current across various projects or teams. Now, you'll be presented with an option to allow data in this view to be synced to other bases. Click this to give permission for the data in your current view to be synced. After that, select Sync This View, which tells Airtable exactly which specific view of your table data you want to keep synchronized. The next step is to navigate to the option Choose a Workspace. This drop-down menu will show the different workspaces you have access to. Click on your desired workspace where you want your sync table to reside. Following this, it's time to select Choose a Base. Here, you'll specify the exact base in the chosen workspace where your data should sync. Once your workspace and base have been selected, click on the desired base table. Think of it as directing your sync tool precisely where you want your data to go. At this stage, you'll click Create Table. This begins the process of creating a new table that will host the synced data. Finally, tap on Create a Synced Table that will be continuously updated as this data changes. Congratulations! You've just set up a sync, ensuring that data in your current view will automatically reflect any updates. Leveraging Airtable's sync feature can greatly reduce manual data entry, improve consistency, and enhance collaboration efficiency. Thank you for following along in this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful Airtable guides. Happy syncing!